Ito na guys, second round ng Slam Dunk Contest. NBA All-Star 2025. Oh, sinimplehan na lang niya yung first round kasi niya, hindi niya na-dunk yung bola. Sa second round, sinimplehan na lang.
It leaves your body. It looks great in slow motion. And you kind of feel like you already defeated. You just try to get it over with. Oh, look at his head, though. Yeah, he's looking at his head. Look at his head. Yeah. But we're still buzzing because of that.
Score.
Waiting on the score right now for Buzelis, the Chicago.
So yan yung score niya guys. 48, 47. 47.4. So yan yung current standing ngayon, current score niya. Apat silang player. Oh, pagilid din siya. Ginaya niya yung Chicago Bulls. Gaya-gayahan na lang. Ibang style naman yung kanya pero mula gilid ng board. Oh no.
Because if you do it on the backboard, you can see the whole ground. You should practice it one more time. That's a better pass. At this point, I've learned something else. You know what? At this point, I'm telling my guy with the
Last attempt.
he got to sit back. I'm like, no, she's going. Still coach. Oh, he jumped his arms, though. Here you go. Good one there. I'm not mad.
Hindi na na-hype si Giannis.
These guys are very capable, and I want the world to understand. It's not easy to come out here. No, 20,000 feet. Being able to come in the moment. Yes. You know? There we go. Vince Carter is sitting over there. What are you talking about? You're kidding. I would be more nervous watching Vince Carter if I was 25 years old than Oscar Robertson. I'm just letting you know. Oscar Robertson is
Score 46, 45. 45 to 46. Oh, 45. Standing. Ay, hindi, isang dunk lang yan kanina. Yan yung una. Kaso hindi siya naka 50. 47 lang ata nakuha niya. 50 kasi yung highest. Ooh. Mukhang panalo si Maclong 3 feet 3 feet ni Maclong. Yung ulo niya kasing level na ng ring. Muntikan na. Oh? Muntikan na maging ka-level ng ring. Score niya guys. 47, 48, 47.5, 47.8. So halos same lang sa first dunk round niya. So ayan na yung standing nila ngayon. Ayan na si Maclong na. Hype yung tao. Hype.
It's McClung.
Oh! First attempt only. First attempt lang. Walang trial and error. 49 yan. 48, 49, or 50. Wala na, 3-pit na. Nangangamoy 3-pit na guys. Oh, hindi sumabit oh.
We don't need anything else right now. The beautiful thing about Beck Dunk is once he got, he's right here. He gets the ball. Look at the patience. 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 Now,
Ha?
Ginagawa sa totoo lang.
Bawal eh.
patience in the air.
Bawal yan.
You're showing hang time. Look what his hang time.
Mamaya matamaan yung private parts nila. Kaya bawal yan. Mukhang nangangamoy 3-pit ah. First time in the NBA history yan kapag nag-3-pit siya. Oh, 50! 100 in total. Nangangamoy 3-pit na.
He has been a G League MVP. He's led the G League in scoring. He was the G League Rookie of the Year. He's trying for a three.
Final round.
May final round pa guys. Si Castle tsaka Mac Maclong. Pero malaki na lamang ni Maclong.